Finally got the bugs out of the audio effects module. So we have, and also switched over to a digital remote control system because the analog was just making too much noise and creating problems. Got the gun wired in. Now we're under Arduino control, which is generating the sound effects way down the bottom there. I don't know if you can see that, but it's way down the bottom. It's got a wave shield from the Adafruit site, and it connects through to a big switching transistor which operates the pump, which is down there, which is primed and ready. So when I flick the switch, stand well back, guys. We get about a 25-foot range. Should be enough.